Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am on the mission to create something similar to this type of dress. It's supposed to be quite simple, I will say. It's just the front, the back, there is no pattern piece basically, and the skirt should be also very easy to make. So if you want to recreate this at home, I think it's not going to be very difficult for you. I'm going to work with this gingham fabric today, which you could see in my fabric haul. It's just a simple cotton but really nice quality, really nice and soft. So this is going to be basically like a picnic dress of my dream. And I know guys, because you always tell me how much you like usually the end of the video where I try to style what I made, but I have one confession. I am always struggling with finding the pair of shoes that fits with my outfit but are also comfortable, because I'm not willing to struggle anymore like I used to in my university years. That's just a pure honesty from me. And that brings me to Vivaia, our sponsor for today's video. Vivaia is on the mission to create most stylish and sustainable footwear that is also eco-friendly and responsible. They are using materials like wool, vegan leather, ethically sourced rubber, and plastic bottles that are transformed by using the newest technologies into this knitted fabric. You can find all the information about their ethical and sustainable practices on their website. So the first pair of shoes that I chose are these cute pointed toe mules. You know me guys, I'm the biggest fan of gingham pattern, so I just couldn't resist. I chose these because of the style and the shape of the shoes. I owned previously couple that were very similar, but they were nowhere near as comfortable as these. I chose my usual size, which is 36 European, and they fit me very well. There was no bad surprise at all. And of course, I had to try them on the bike because this is usually how I run my errands here in the city. So they did not fail me, and I have to say I felt extra cute in them. And the second pair of shoes that I really wanted to try myself are these new Area 5 pointed flats. These are the first hemp flats, which means they are made of hemp fiber. Hemp fabric is naturally antimicrobial, so great for those who have sweaty feet in summer, but also they have herbal insole with a heel rebound arch, which makes them feel like you are walking on the clouds. They are super light, which makes them perfect for traveling. Also, they are very bendable if you don't have enough space in your luggage. And they also have this heel patch inside, which makes them extra comfortable. I personally really like these because of the saddle pattern, which makes them more interesting but still very easy to pair with anything in my wardrobe. And what sold me completely is the fact that these are machine washable. Yes guys, most of their shoes are hand washable or machine washable, and with each pair that you will get this instruction care card, so you will know exactly how to care for your shoes. So guys, if you were looking to buy new flats, heel, sneakers, mules, basically anything, and you are also trying to be more sustainable customer, then head over to Vivaia's website, because you will have lots of options there, and I'm giving you warning, you will have a problem to choose, which is a good thing, I guess. I also have a discount code for you, but that's not all guys. Vivaia is celebrating their second birthday this month. They have another discounts, and you can combine them with my personal discount. So head over to their website and choose your pair. And one last thing, for those who want to be a little bit more extra, they also have detachable bows. Not only these colors, they have many more and many different designs. And this brings me to the idea, why don't we try to create our own? So before we start sewing, I made this little tutorial for you if you ever want to create your own detachable bows to match them with your outfit, with your dress. This is how you make it. These are the things that you will need. This type of closure, link in the description, the fabric glue, cotton ribbon, fusible interfacing, the type that is used for bags. I cut mine for the strips that are a little bit thinner than the cotton ribbon. And of course, if you want to make a bow that is matching to your outfit or dress, you will need the strip
of the same fabric. And this is how it looks like with and without the fusible interfacing, so this is a quite important step, so you don't miss it out. And if you work with the fabric, follow the same step as if you were making straps for the dress. Iron it flat and keep the seam in the middle, iron on fusible interfacing, and voila, it is as simple as that. Now, you will need to cut two pieces that are same length, of course, just to make sure that your bows are same. Mark on the each how much we will be overlapping the pieces. Apply the glue on one end and overlap it with the other one. Press it tightly, and if you need the help of clips, you can use them. Just make sure that you let it dry properly. Once it has dried, press it lightly and secure it with a couple of stitches. Now apply the glue again on the back side of the bow. Take the other piece, press it tightly, let it dry, and you can use clips again, or if you have a glue gun, you can skip the fabric glue and you can just do all the steps like I showed you just with the using of glue gun. I simply don't have one, that's why I was using fabric glue, but it worked just fine for me. At the end, you will need to cut off excess material, apply the glue and let it dry. Once it has fully dried, take your closure and secure it with a couple of stitches just by hand, and that should be working well. At least it was working for me. And tada! You have made your first detachable bow. For the bow that should be matching my dress today, I decided to overlap two, follow the same steps, and I created so many of them. You can do as well at home. It is very easy. Just throw them in your purse and they will be ready whenever you need them. It's easy to put on and off.
You see guys, I told you it was super easy, and now you can customize your shoes even more. I would like to thank again to Vivaia for sponsoring today's video, and now I think let's move to the dress. I have good news for you. This part is also going to be very easy because there is not so many pattern pieces, and I think that you can easily DIY this dress at home. So let me quickly show you the pattern pieces so you have a better idea what we will be working with today. So this is the pattern piece for the top part. It will be cut out on fold, that's why I just have a half of it here. And this different types of paper, it's just because I first did the mock-up, and of course it's never perfect for the first time, so I had to do a couple of adjustments, but this is generally how it looks like. As you can see, it has only one dart over here, and when you close it, it will look like this. As for the skirt, as you can see, very simple. It's just a basic A-line skirt. This is the front. Also, this will be cut on fold. The back part is same, but there is one difference. I made this pattern piece 1.5 times wider than it's supposed to be, because I will be inserting the elastic on this top part at the back for the nicer fit. And then of course we have the straps, quite long. Mine are 145 centimeters, and then I have one piece of fabric which is 3 centimeters wide. I will be using this to create a tunnel for the elastic at the back part. And last but not least, I have these 4 little pieces that will help me to create loop for the straps here on the side. And one last thing before I start to sew, I want to show you that one of the top pieces is interfaced with the fusible interfacing, and the other one is just without. So now that everything is clear, we can finally start. As always, I'm going to start with the sewing darts on both pattern pieces. Now I have these little marks here on the side of the top, which tells me where I'm supposed to be placing these little hoops. I just ran a couple of stitches here, and now I will place them in this way on the marks. I will pin them in place. So one is here and the other one will go here in this corner. I can go and run a couple of basting stitches over so that they stay in place really nicely. Okay, so darts are sewn, everything looks very nice. I have to go and make the straps that I prepared here, so I'm going to quickly sew them. I will take the straps and place them here in the corner, and then I will roll them together like so that I will not catch them accidentally while I'll be sewing. Like this, for example, it doesn't really matter, just the point is to keep it away. Now I will take the front skirt, the top, the one that is interface, and I will pin them together. I will start from center. So now I will just go and give it a quick press, and I will push the seam allowance to the top part. Now I will take the back part of the skirt. I will take this long strip that I cut it. I will start from the center, pin it all the way, and sew it with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Now that it's sewn, you need to just turn it inside like this, so you have really nice edge from the outside, and you will create the tunnel from inside for the elastic. So now straight stitch as close as possible to the edge of the tape. So now I will just take this elastic and I will measure. It doesn't have to be really precise at the back, and I will keep some for the seam allowance. I will take a safety pin and I will insert it in this tunnel here. Secure it here at the end with the pin so it will not get lost inside, and continue. Now I will go and secure it with few stitches on each side. I will take the back part of the skirt, I will place it right sides facing on the top here, and I will start pinning from the bottom. We are almost there, guys. This is how it looks like now. I mean, it already looks like a dress, but we need to finish lining, so that's why I turn it right side out. And finally I will take the lining part, I will place it on the top, of course right sides facing again. And here in this curvy part I will just do a few snips with the scissors. So now I will turn it finally right side out to see how it went. It looks really good, guys. So it's all looking really nice, but I still have to understitch the seam allowance to the lining so it will be really nice from the outside. And then finally I will go ahead and hem. I will try to do a narrow hem at the bottom because I think it will look the prettiest. And once I will do this, then we are done basically. So let's go, guys, let's finish it. Let's finish it quickly. Everything looks great. I will go ahead and close this part by hand because I don't want to have any stitches on the outside. So guys, ta-da! The dress is finished, shoes are ready, and I guess this will be the end for today. I really hope that you liked today's video, that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give the like, subscribe if you are not, and now let's just stop talking because I can't wait to wear these two together. Let's go, guys.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me before I pass out.